A lot happening here in the nation's capital in Washington, D.C. As you can see, the Supreme Court behind me, the meeting place for the final steps that those pro-life marchers will take for the March for Life 46th annual demonstration. We were able to speak with a few pro-lifers, and here's what they had to say.
Oh, if you have a child, first, there's a lot of options you can take to not even get pregnant in the first place. And if you do, you got unlimited options after. You got adoption. You can give the baby to a family member or something, anything but killing it, because it deserves life, just like everybody else.
Where are you from? What brings you here? What is your message for today?
So I am from Robert Morris University in PA. It's near Pittsburgh, and I am here to speak for those who can't speak for themselves. I think abortion is one of the most pressing human rights issues in our country today. I think it is the violation of our most basic human right, which is the right to life. And I do not think we have any right as human beings to violate that right of other human beings, especially if they're defenseless, they don't have a say in the matter, and they are absolutely innocent.
I come every year with the Silent No More Awareness Campaign. The Silent No More Awareness Campaign is a campaign of awareness as to the devastating effects of abortion. I'm a veteran of the United States Army. I had an abortion while I was serving in the Army, and it was devastating, and it did affect me. And it affected me, it affected my duty, it affected my mission as a military person. And so now what I do is I reach out to our veterans and our military about healing programs. But what I think most people don't realize is that the unintended pregnancy rate in the military is 50% higher than what it is in the general public. And the abortion rate in the military is much more than it is in the general public.
Everyone has heard of Roe v. Wade. Everyone knows it was a decision to legalize abortion, but I don't think anyone knows how it got to the Supreme Court and then how the Supreme Court decided on it. And our film really sheds a light on how it even got there and how it was all sort of built on a fabrication, a lie, and conspiracies, and how all the justices were then really voted based on public opinion and media pressure and not really the law. So it's really an inside look of the Supreme Court, something no film has ever really done before. It's taken an inside look at any Supreme Court case, which I think the public will find it very interesting since everybody knows of Roe.
The Supreme Court serving as the final meeting place for pro-lifers during the March for Life, as they hope to garner enough attention that perhaps the Supreme Court may overturn Roe v. Wade in the future. From Washington, Gabrielle Cuccia, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube, and call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.